The 2015-2021 GMC Canyon key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. It's a widely available battery. Check the old battery to confirm before purchasing a replacement to guarantee compatibility. Higher quality batteries from Duracell or Energizer can offer better longevity and performance. First, locate the small release button on the back of your key fob. Press this button to detach the physical key from the fob body. Set the key aside. This exposes the seam where you'll open the fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam of the fob near where the key was attached. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the fob casing. Work your way around the seam to separate the two halves. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Use your finger or the pry tool to carefully remove the old battery from its housing. Make sure not to damage the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the housing, ensuring the positive side is facing up to match the original orientation. The battery should snap into place securely. Make sure it is firmly seated to ensure proper contact. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. Reattach the physical key. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to ensure they function properly. The range should be back to normal. A good battery can have a range up to 100 feet. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation to ensure the positive side faces up. Ensure the contacts are clean. Corrosion is a common issue that can prevent proper electrical connection. If you find corrosion, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol to restore functionality. If problems persist, consult your GMC Canyon owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or see a professional mechanic. Consider eco-friendly battery options for sustainability, such as mercury-free CR2032 cells from brands like Panasonic.